Hey everyone, welcome to POV cooking. I still don't know what to call this thing, but POV cooking might stick. I'm not sure what you guys would call it. But today we're gonna be making a spicy chicken sandwich, and yeah, let's see how this goes. As a warning, I'm not a chef. I really don't know how to cook, although I am really good at discovering things. We're gonna need cornflake, sriracha sauce with a little bit of Tabasco on, real mayonnaise. I got chicken breast, brioche bun, smoked paprika, black pepper, garlic powder, and can't forget this guy. Anyways, let's get started. First things first, we're gonna take care of our main attraction, the chicken. Just want to clean it up just in case. I did cut it yesterday. Please don't judge me. Actually judge me. I kind of do want to be judged a little bit. We're gonna need 2 eggs. Just gonna, I don't know what to, just toss it there. Gonna get some eggs up in there. I did forget to mention, you do need eggs. There's our timer, just to show how long this takes. I need, just to make it, honestly don't know how much to put also, and yeah. There's a lot of this is great. Okay, I don't know, anybody, do you guys rub your stuff in? You do, you have to, right? You gotta rub it in. Okay, pause. I think what I should have done first though was the black ground pepper and the garlic powder. Now I regret it, but it's fine. We'll do it on the other side. Don't know how much to put there neither. And then, can't forget, I don't know if this is the right one, but yeah. And then just rub it all in there. I don't know if I'm doing it right, but it doesn't matter now. Okay, now you just gotta do the same thing to the other side, except this time we're gonna put the black pepper. I don't know if this is right, like I said. I'm gonna be honest, I picked this out online, so don't judge me. Anyways, it's good. Garlic powder. Ooh, okay, cool. And now you gotta get that in there. Oh God, I think I did too much on that. Just rub it in. Now that we got that down, now we gotta dip it in eggs. That's happening. We do gotta crush this down. I don't know if it's, oh my God, actually it might work well. Now that I'm looking at it. Just a little hand movement. Okay, all right. So, there's that. Now, the important part is, I think, dipping it in here. Dipping it on the egg. As best as we can. That's very slimy. I've never done this before. So, yeah, did I get that right? Okay, good. I don't know if oh my God, very lean. I hope this does turn out well, otherwise I'm gonna be really sad. While that's happening, you just want to kind of, yeah, it's like fully breaded. Goodness gracious, I'm gonna put it back here. I don't really have anything to crush this with, so yeah. Oh my God. Okay, all right, we got that one. Anyways, the next step after that, we do gotta put on some spray. Ooh. I'm gonna do the other side. It's like a hairspray. Oh my God. I got that down. Now, this is the controversial part about it. We're gonna put it on the air fryer for a good few minutes. I don't know if it's controversial to you guys, but I don't know. Let me think. Are you guys an air fryer or a bake type of person? There goes the fun part. Now we're gonna air fry it. Temperature, I'm gonna put it at 380. Time, we're gonna put it at about, oh man, 18 minutes, and then bam. Great. Now we just air fry it and we just wait for it and see how it goes. Oof.
Hi, vlog.
It's not a vlog. Okay. Now the next part is we're gonna mix these two together so we can put it for our sauce. I don't know how much to put, so don't judge me. Actually, I've never had this before. Tabasco and sriracha. Oh wow, that is pretty good. Okay, one more thing I was gonna do. I added organic living butter lettuce. I'm gonna add that to one of the sandwiches, aka for me. Got that done. Now let's see this chicken. Man, it looks good, but I just hope it's not raw. I'm gonna do my sandwich first and I'll make theirs. Man, I think I put too much. Hold on. Just so I could just improvising. Oh, geez. Yeah, that might have been too much. I'll pick one out and I'll pick this one. It looks good. Like, I feel like I should put something sweet on it, but it looks like a normal looking chicken sandwich. So, just gonna put some on top. Oh no, did I just how do you do it? How do I do that? Fudge sakes. But oh man, look at that. It's amazing. Compared to I also bought a Popeye's chicken sandwich. So hold on a second. Man, compared to damn, what the frick? Holy. Yeah, compared to this, I mean, presentation wise, mine looks a whole lot better. They put like one literal chunk of chicken here. Holy crap. No more. I'll edit it eventually. Alright, let's see.
Like chewing the burger.
This is really good. Holy crap. Overall, freaking good. I'm gonna make one for the guys just to see how they turn out. But man, this. Oh. Okay. Oh, sad. They're also making a video.
Ooh, that looks good actually.
Okay. Let's try whichever one. You really slapped it. Okay. How about on those sides?
Is it actually good?
No, it's good. Yeah.
I like it.
Okay.
Alright, let's try this. I hope you're not poisoning me or anything.
I swear I'm not.
Okay.
If anything, I don't know what I acquired.
Good crunch.
Yeah? For real?
Dude.
Yeah? Stop lying.
No, I'm not kidding.
Okay.
It's actually good.
Alright, good.
It's kind of raw though.
Oh no! My eyes, oh shoot!
I'm just joking.
Okay. Well, what would you guys rate it?
That's good. I'll do like a
8.2.
Okay.
I was gonna say 8.
Okay. We'll take it.
It's actually good. Yeah.
Alright, dope.
Good crunch.
Okay.
Okay.